I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, weekly chart, rejection. Where to now? I've got some amazing altcoin setups at the end of the video we're going to go over. There's a ton of news that's happening with some of these larger cap coins. That's pretty interesting. I mean, Bitcoin's done things that it hasn't done in a long time. Will this uptrend continue? We're going to cover this in the video. Make sure and watch it all the way through. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free money. Bitcoin weekly chart. Bitcoin obviously had this huge drawdown and then a bounce. And the bounce was essentially a 50% bounce of this pullback, 0.5 fib level rejection. Okay, so now will this continue? I mean, the MACD looks good. RSI, I mean, could be heading higher, but still holding above the 50. Stochastic RSI, bullish cross, it left oversold, is still pointing higher. So, I mean, weekly it looks okay. There's, some short-term bearish ideas, which we've been talking about as a possibility and would be healthy. Right? Bitcoin 4-hour chart. We talked about decision point yesterday, right? 68% chance that this breaks lower, and did. Now we're looking, support level. I mean, 42,800. If we get a move below that, 41,000, 40,500 potentially. What if we're building like this big cup and handle type pattern, right? So, I mean, don't give up on the bulls just yet. This is a normal corrective pullback. A lot of times in these bull markets, bullish markets, you get 10 and 20% pullbacks. It's common. It's completely healthy to see some type of retracement, and here we are. This is a 1-hour chart. Called this last night, right before I went to bed. This breakdown of this, you see the white rising wedge? So, I mean, that helps a lot of people not getting stuck in these altcoins for these drawdowns, right? So you can see, obviously, Bitcoin's continued lower from that break to the downside. Essentially, I mean, altcoins obviously have seen some pullbacks, but we're looking for entry ideas. Right now, looking for an oversold bounce out of Bitcoin right around this level, right? RSI is starting to become oversold, so keep an eye on what Bitcoin's doing. This is tensor charts. So this is a heat map. So this shows where all the sellers are at, stacked at 47,000, right? Essentially, Bitcoin put in this double top, which has now been confirmed. The measured move down here, measure the move, just this is how it's established, right? So it would be this distance. So measured move would put it about this support level. Okay, again, that's just the measured move of this pattern. So all the buys are stacked down here at 43,000. So this is a heat map, and so these bright yellow lines mean there's a ton of buyers stacked down here, right? So it takes the order books and shows you where the buyers are stacked at. So there's gonna be a bunch of buying happening at 43,000. Bearish case would be some type of bounce, and then this next high being lower than this previous high, and then you could see more downside, right? I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, so I post these Kucoin setups and they explode crazy. I mean, just ridiculous, like 25, 30, 45, it's nuts. And so, but what happens is they settle down, and then we've had some really good upside continuation after that. So this person, these pump calls, if you keep posting these, we're going to all retire by the end of the year, just because people love it, because they make a ton of money in like seconds. I find that really strong setups that are at just like a decision point, and they move, right? Loving these Kucoin setups made 40% in less than 5 minutes. Like it gets pretty crazy. It's super high risk. Like I don't trade them, right? But people love them. This person up $8,300. Boom, Matic. This person started 2 months ago with $2,000. Now he's got almost $7,000. Unreal. Exactly. This person, I'm officially in the 6-figure league. Boom. Life-changing money. Dude, you come into this market, maybe you struggle. Maybe you don't know what to buy. I can help you. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups, period. If you're not making a ton of money in this market right now, I can help you. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video. There's a link to take you directly to the website. Check out my trading group. IOTX Moon Mission, 583 gains on one trade. These are some of the other recent trades. Like, it's just been double and triple digit green. So XRP comes out and they're going to now scale remittances between Korea and Thailand. So a lot of hype behind that. Band Protocol is going to share an integration with Kronos Chain. They're going to integrate banned oracles for decentralized end-to-end customizable oracles for all applications on Kronos. So banned in the news. I gave you guys this XRP setup. No one wanted to hear this on July the 29th when I said bull run phase 3. Looking for this pullback to 68 cents. And then what happened? Boom. Look at this. Pullback 68 cents, 54% gains out of XRP. NFTAs go live on ADA. Minted the new NFTAs. Stated tokens built on Cardano are native, so unlike Ethereum's ERC20 tokens, Cardano doesn't require a smart contract. The Poly Network hackers returned stolen funds after yesterday's $600 million theft. They steal $600 million and then they're nice hackers and they put their white hats on and they give them back. $600 million bucks. Here you go. I bet there's a lot of people breathing a sigh of relief after this one. Right now, Bitcoin's obviously pulling back, and so you have to be mindful, like, what's Bitcoin doing, right? Bitcoin drives the market. Some of these altcoins, like BOSON, hasn't really seen a big pullback, right? So it gives a sign of strength. It's at the support level, right? So again, when Bitcoin bounces, you're wondering, does BOSON break this breakout level? And then this cup and handle is completed, and that puts your measured move up in here for BOSN on Kucoin. Keep an eye on it. SRK. I posted this setup yesterday and 63% immediate gains. This is Spark Point, and they have a ton of news. On the 16th, they have a Telegram AMA. They have SRK Global Ventures on the 20th of August. They've got partnership announcements on August the 25th. They got Spark Point, Spark Pool UI improvements on August the 30th. They've got a buyback and burn happens September the 30th. Spark Lend beta release happens September the 30th. So December 31st, they have wallet fiat integration. So they got a lot of good things going on. I'm wondering if you get some type of bull flag here. Again, this is all dependent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin doesn't act right. Ignore this. Wait for Bitcoin to bounce and then look at picking up down here somewhere. Right? You got to watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin's driving these altcoins right now. Like, this is higher risk trading. As soon as Bitcoin bounces, though, you'll wish you had bought these altcoins at these bounce levels. This is GRT. This is a midterm hold idea. I'm looking for tremendous upside out of GRT over the longer and midterm. Right now, it's flagging right above the breakout level. Right? Had about 11% gain yesterday. And now it's essentially forming a bull flag. So if it breaks out this bull flag, again, tremendous upside out of GRT. This is hedging. So I posted this, and it pumped 147% over a couple days, right? Smaller cap coins, right? When Bitcoin is not acting right, some of these small caps just defy the market. And so focus on these ideas. And so where I'm headed with this is a couple NFT ideas, which again, super high risk. Bitcoin doesn't bounce and doesn't act right. Just ignore this entire idea. But we always have to have a plan in place, right? If this happens, then we do this. So NFT dominance looks like you want to get some type of support. I mean, it has had a support bounce, right? So if this continues higher, or if you get this type of double bottom down here, if this comes down here and double bottoms and continues higher, then you're watching to figure out, well, what NFT should I be buying? All right, so here's Super. Buyers stacked at support, but Super had a great breakout. I gave this to you guys. Now you're looking for some type of support bounce down in here potentially, right? Bitcoin looks like it's just continuing to roll over. But when it does bounce, you'll have some entry ideas for these altcoins. So look at Super as an idea of if this NFT dominance continues higher. Alice printing this bull pennant, right? And again, this is high risk because of Bitcoin. It's always dependent on Bitcoin. This doesn't mean, hey, buy every setup that I talked to you guys about. It means it's an if-then statement. If this happens, then do this. If Bitcoin bounces and acts right, these USDT pairs are going to take off, right? This market, it's not about chasing these super green candles and trying to buy here. It's about buying fear. It's about buying the pullbacks and knowing that based on your technical aptitude, 68% chance this breaks higher. Now this could end up like this. I mean, it looks like, Bitcoin is continuing to pull back and it's going to pull Alice down with it. Could be a bounce in here. But you can see Alice could potentially form this like little reaccumulation type pattern. And so all these ideas go into what I'm talking about, right? It's not like hurry up and buy now. It is, if this happens, then do this. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.